stuck on this screen, seeing security lockout or iPhone unavailable. And now you're panicking because you think you've lost all your photos, chats, and contacts. Stop. Put the phone down. Do not press that erase iPhone button yet. Most people make a mistake here and wipe their data when they didn't have to. In this video, I'm going to show you the only official way to bypass the security lockout screen without losing your data. And if that method doesn't work for you, I have 2 backup methods to help you recover your files safely. Hi, welcome to iTech Secrets. If you want to save your data, watch this video step by step. Let's unlock your iPhone. First, why did this happen? Apple has a security feature that locks the phone after too many wrong passcode attempts. It starts with 1 minute, then 5, then 15, and eventually it locks you out permanently. Here is the golden rule. Stop guessing. If you guess wrong one more time, you might disable the phone completely. The method I am about to show you works best on iOS 17 and the new iOS 18. Let us jump into the first and best method. This is a hidden feature most people don't know about. Did you recently change your passcode, maybe in the last 72 hours? If you changed your passcode recently and forgot the new one, Apple allows you to use your old passcode to unlock the phone for up to 3 days. Look at the bottom right corner of the lockout screen. Do you see an option that says "Forgot passcode"? Tap on it. Now, you will see a screen that says "Try passcode reset." Tap that. Here is the magic. Enter your previous passcode, the old one you were using before you changed it. If you enter it correctly, the iPhone will unlock immediately. Your data will be safe, and it will ask you to set a new passcode right there. This is the only method that unlocks the phone without any reset. But what if you didn't change your passcode recently? Don't worry, method 2 is for you. If method 1 didn't work, Apple's security assumes the phone is stolen. To unlock it, we technically have to reset it. But reset does not mean data loss if you have iCloud enabled. Before you panic, remember that your iPhone automatically backs up when it's charging and connected to Wi-Fi. Here is how to unlock it and get your data back. On the security lockout screen, tap Erase iPhone at the bottom right. Enter your Apple ID password. This proves you are the owner. The phone will reset. Once it restarts, select Restore from iCloud Backup during the setup. All your photos, apps, and chats will download back onto the phone. You won't lose anything that was backed up. If your screen is frozen or you don't see the erase button, you need a computer. Connect your iPhone to a PC or Mac. Put the iPhone in recovery mode. Press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until you see the cable icon on your computer. iTunes or Finder will pop up. Click Update first. This will try to reinstall iOS without erasing data. If that fails, choose Restore. To prevent this from happening again, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and set up an alternative appearance for Face ID so you rely less on typing the code. Also, make sure iCloud backup is turned on today so you never have to worry about data loss again. If you want to know if your iPhone is secretly spying on your location or listening to your chats, you need to watch this video right here. This is iTech Secrets. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.